Hello, in this video we focus on an original one-row repeat elastic knit with an attractive interweaving of the loops in the knit part. It is double-sided. Its scheme consists of 4 loops and 1 single row, which is knitted equally on both sides. There are 2 loops each in the knit and purl part. On both sides of the knitting, the scheme is as follows: knit 2 loops together through the back, and slip the first one on the right hand hook. Cross the next 2 stitches. Purl the second loop first, slip it from the left hook, pass the first one through it, and purl it. Again. Knit 2 together, through the back, and slip the first. Purl the second loop first and slip it. Purl 1. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. On the opposite side, we knit in the same way. Knit 2 together, through the back, and slip the first. Purl the second loop first and slip it. Purl 1. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. You can see the result. With one identical row on both sides, we get this double-sided elastic knit. It's perfect for a winter hat, snood, scarf, or knitwear. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.